Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the fifth module of chapter Electricity. In this module, we are going to study about resistance of a system of resistors. In preceding sections, we learned about some simple electric circuits. We have noticed how current through a conductor depends upon its resistance and the potential difference. In various electrical gadgets, we often use resistors in various combinations. We now therefore intend to see how Ohm's law can be applied to combination of resistors. There are two methods of joining the resistors together: parallel combination of resistors and series combination of resistors. Now let us see what is resistors in series. What happens if we connect the resistors in series? What is the value of current then? Let us try to understand with the help of an activity. Join three resistors in series like this. Connect them with a battery of 6 volt, an ammeter and a plug key with connecting wires. Plug the key and note the ammeter reading. Change the position of ammeter in a circuit anywhere and take readings. We can conclude that in series combination of resistors, the ammeter reading is same anywhere in a circuit. Now, connect voltmeter in parallel across the ends A and F. Take voltmeter readings. Take out the plug key and disconnect the voltmeter. Now, connect the voltmeter across the ends A and B. Plug the key and take the readings of voltmeter, say V1, which is calculated as 3 volt. Similarly, connect the voltmeter across C and D and E and F. Take readings in each case. Say V2 is equal to 2 volt and V3 is equal to 1 volt. Add V1, V2 and V3. We will get 6 volt. You will observe that total potential difference across a combination of resistors in series is equal to the sum of the potential difference across the individual resistors. That is, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Applying the Ohm's law to the entire circuit, we have V is equal to IR. On applying Ohm's law to the three resistors separately, we will have V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3. Now, substituting the values, we will get V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, that is IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Taking I common, you will get IR is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. Cancelling I, you will get RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is, when resistors are connected in series, the resultant resistance is equal to the sum of the individual resistances. Now we will see what is parallel arrangement of resistors. Take three resistors, say R1, R2 and R3, and ammeter, voltmeter, battery, plug key. After that, connect three resistors R1, R2 and R3 in parallel to each other in a circuit with battery, plug key and ammeter. Connect voltmeter in parallel with the combination of resistors. After that, plug the key and note the ammeter reading I and voltmeter reading V. Then take out the plug from the key, remove the ammeter and voltmeter from the circuit. Connect the voltmeter across each resistor and insert the ammeter in series with the resistor or note the ammeter reading I1. After that, connect voltmeter and ammeter with other two resistors R2 and R3. We can say that the total current in a circuit is equal to sum of the currents I1, I2 and I3 through these resistors. As we get I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now by applying Ohm's law to the parallel combination of resistors, I is equal to VRP, that is resistance in parallel. Applying Ohm's law to each resistor, we will get I1 is equal to VR1, V by R1, I2 is equal to V by R2, I3 is equal to V by R3. Substituting these values, you will get I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, that is V by Rp is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. V is common, so cancelling that, you will get 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So we can conclude that the reciprocal of resistance is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of individual resistances in the case of parallel combination. Now let us see what are the advantages of connecting resistors in parallel. In parallel combination, each appliance gets the full voltage. If one appliance is switched on or off, others are not affected. It divides the current through the appliances. Each appliance gets proper current depending upon the resistance. But in series, if one of the resistor is broken, then it will be affecting the whole circuit. Thank you.